Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a new topic, tenses. Many of us always get scared when we were asked about tenses. But today I will try to clear your doubts. So friends, let's start the video. So friends, I will try to explain with examples. For example, I go to school every day. I went to school yesterday. I will go to school tomorrow. In sentence 1, the verb go refers to the present time. It is therefore present tense. In sentence 2, the verb went refers to the past time. So it is a past tense. And in the third sentence, will go refers to the future time. So it is a future tense. So we can conclude what is a tense. So the answer is tense is the way verbs relate their meaning to time. I repeat, tense is the way verbs relate their meaning to time. Friends, please remember that in English there are three main tenses: present tense, past tense, and future tense. Today in this video I am going to focus on present tense. So let's now begin with present tense. So friends, present tense has four forms: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. So number 1, simple present tense. We use simple present tense to express a habitual action. We also use simple present tense to express a universal truth. For example, birds fly in the sky. The moon shines at night. Man is mortal. The last two sentences are of universal truth. Friends, simple present tense is not so tough. Next, present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used to express an action that is planned or arranged to take place in the near future. For example, we are going to Dublin tomorrow. The form in which a present continuous tense should be written is subject plus present form of be verb, that is am, is, and are plus verb plus ing. In the example, we is the subject and we use are with we, and going is the verb with ing, that is go plus ing. Then next, present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is used to indicate an action that has been continuing from the past up to the present moment. For example, I have lived in Guwahati for 10 years. The form in which present perfect tense is written is subject plus have or has plus past participle of the verb. So in this example, I is the subject and with I we have to write have, and lived is the past participle. Friends, you have to learn the past participle. I will upload a video on past participle. You can look at it afterwards. Then next, the last one, present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense is used to denote an action that began sometime in the past, is continuing in the present, and may extend to the future. For example, the boys have been playing since morning. The form in which this tense is written is subject plus have been or has been plus verb plus ing. So in the example, the boys is the subject As the boys are plural, so we have used have been, and play is the verb with ing. Friends, I hope you have understood till now. Now friends, we will try to identify some sentences in what tenses they are. So let's start. So number 1 sentence. Water freezes at 0°C. So friends, the first sentence is in simple present tense. It is very easy to find out. Next, sentence number 2. I am drinking tea. Here, I is the subject, am is the present form of be verb, and drinking is the verb with ing. So, this sentence is in present continuous tense. Next, third sentence. I have checked the notebooks of all students. Here, in this sentence, the form of this sentence is similar with present perfect tense. So, the sentence is in present perfect tense. And the last one, the last sentence. He has been playing for 2 hours. The form in this sentence is of the present perfect continuous tense. As we can see, he is the subject and has been plus verb plus ing, that is playing. So the sentence is in present perfect continuous tense. I hope you have understood. If you have any questions, you can comment and ask me. Friends, you will get an explanation of past tense in my next video. To see more videos, please subscribe my channel. And friends, if this video is helpful, please hit the like button and share the videos with your near and dear ones. And watch my videos to learn more grammar rules. And friends, keep watching and keep learning. Thank you.